Hello everybody, this is your class 5th and our today's topic that we will study in their class working with Windows XP. And students, this is your chapter number 5 and challenges. In the last chapter we studied features of Windows XP. Now let us start working with Windows XP. Challenges we learn about the features of Windows XP in the last chapter, and in this chapter we will learn about the starting working in Windows XP. Using Windows title bar. How can we use the Windows title bar? When you open any program, a window appears on the screen. तो चिल्ड्रन, जब आप यानी प्रोग्राम को विंडो पे ओपन करते हैं तो आपकी स्क्रीन पे एक विंडो ओपन होती है. यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट द टॉप मोस्ट बार ऑफ द विंडो इज नोन एज द टाइटल बार. बच्चों, आप खुद से ही जानते हैं कि जो विंडो के अपर टॉप मोस्ट बार होता है उसे हम टाइटल बार के नाम से जानते हैं. इट डिस्प्लेज द नेम ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन. इट कंटेन्स the control menu with the minimize, maximize or restore and close buttons. Let's learn how to use these buttons. And students, in the title bar, the name of the application, and it displays the name of the application and it also contains. So students, in the title bar, minimize, maximize, restore, close buttons are also available in the title bar. So students, here you can see that the minimize button, that is the minimize button, and this is maximize, and this is a close button which is displayed in the title bar. Let's learn how to use these buttons. अब हम स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ेंगे कि हम किस तरह से इन बटन्स का यूज कर सकते हैं. The minimize button is among the 3 buttons at the right of the end. Here the 3 buttons are given and the minimize button is this. Title bar, it has a small minus symbol on it. It is used to minimize a window. If you want to minimize a window, then use the minimize button given in the right side of the title bar. The maximize button has a small square symbol and the maximize button. Here a small square symbol is given in the inside of this button. On it, it is used to enlarge window to cover the entire desktop. So students, it is used to enlarge the window. If you want to enlarge the window, then you can use the button. This is the maximize button. And students, after a window is maximized, then the maximize button changes to the restore button. Students, when your window is maximized, the maximize button already changed to the restore button, and it looks like the 2 windows near one another. And here you can see that the 2 squares are in the button are near another. If you click the restore button, the maximized window shrinks to its previous side. So students, if you click on the restore button, then the maximize window shrinks to its previous side. तो बच्चों, जिस तरह की आपकी पहली साइड थी, आप अगर restore बटन पे क्लिक करते हैं तो आपकी विंडो पहले की ही तरह हो जाएगी. The close button cross with multiplication symbol is used in the close window, and here students you can see the close window, and this is called the close window, and the cross symbol and red colored symbol of cross is given in the multiplication symbol to close the window. And students, this is already used for the close button to close the window. Now students, our next topic, that is the resizing windows. Resizing windows is slightly different from the minimizing, restoring or maximizing. So students, it is slightly different, not the more different from minimizing, restoring or maximizing. It means changing the size of a window. तो चिल्ड्रंस, इसका मीन्स होता है कि कोई भी विंडो का साइज का चेंज करना. ओनली दिस इज द मीन्स ऑफ द रेसाइजिंग विंडोज. टू चेंज द साइज ऑफ अ विंडो, फॉलो द गिवन स्टेप्स. Children, if you want to change the size of a window, then the follow up the given steps that are given below. So students, the first step is move the mouse pointer over any corner of the window. Move the mouse pointer any corner of the window. The mouse pointer change the 2 head arrow any corner. So students, this is your window and there are 4 corners. This is 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and move the pointer on the any corner of the window. That the corner, this is called corner, and the pointer is moving here. The mouse pointer changes to two-headed arrow. And the students, the step 2 is click and hold down the left mouse button, and in the step 2 you click and hold down the left mouse button. And the student, third step is drag the arrow out or in, make the window larger or smaller. And if you want to drag the arrow out or in to make the window larger or smaller. If you want to make the window larger, then you drag the arrow out, and if you want to make the window smaller, then you drag the arrow in. And the students, fourth step is release the mouse button when the window is of the desired size. जब बच्चों आपके मन की जो साइज है विंडो की वो हो जाए तो आपको माउस बटन को रिलीज कर देना है. Then our next topic is moving a window using the title bar. Moving a window using the title bar. How can we move a window using the title bar? Sometimes a window may hide an item you want to click on. Sometimes a window may hide an item you want to click on. To move a window, follow the given steps. Here the some steps are given for to move a window. And the students, you cannot increase the size of the window if it is had been maximized. If the window is already maximized, then students, you cannot increase the size of the window. And the first step is place the mouse pointer over the title bar. And here the title bar is given, and place the mouse pointer. The mouse pointer is placed here and click on the title bar. And the student, third means second step is click and hold down the left mouse button and click, then you click and hold down the left mouse button here. And student, the third step is drag the window to the place where you want to it and release the mouse button. And students, drag the window and drag the window from here to here if you want to place where. And then your placing is done, then release the mouse button. And students, our next topic is tiling and cascading windows. What is tiling? What is tiling and cascading windows? Sometimes moving and resizing multiple windows can create confusion. Students, in sometimes, not in every times, in sometimes moving and resizing with multiple windows can create confusions. Keep track of multiple windows. Try cascading or tiling the windows. Cascading windows. So students, do you know about what is the cascading windows? Arrange windows on a computer desktop so that they overlap each other and their title bars are visible. These are called the cascading windows. And students, what are the title windows? What are the title windows? Tiled windows are next to each other. Windows can be tiled horizontally or vertically. If windows are tiled horizontal, they appear on above another. If windows are tiled vertically, they appear side by side. So students, this is your 2 pages are completed of this chapter, and you learn this chapter, the questions also of this chapter, and grasp it. Thank you very much.